All right, let's do this. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today is a very, very special day, marks the beginning of our RTS series. So, what is RTS? Who am I? Let's give you guys a little bit of an introduction in case you don't know who I am. I'm mohamedharchi. I'm a professional funded trader. I've been trading for the past 5, 6 years. I was able to go from being a broke, fat, depressed, young adult into a multi-millionaire day trader. I'm the co-owner of the Range Trading University. We've helped thousands of people become professional funded traders. And let's just say that I know a thing or two about trading. So I was able to completely change my life thanks to trading. I was able to literally go from the bottom of the bottom to a multi-millionaire day trader. And I was sitting in a pier the other day, overlooking a beautiful sea view, having a great time with one of my business partners. And we were having a conversation about what truly makes us happy. Where does our happiness come from? And the obvious answer, I would not be lying to you guys, is just the life that we live, the life that we've been able to create thanks to trading, just coming from absolutely nothing and just being able to do whatever we want at any time, travel, buy whatever we want to at any time, being able to help and support financially our family. I was able to retire my parents, get them nice things, my extended family as well, just doing all the things that I've always wanted to do. That's definitely where my happiness comes from. But another thing that makes me extremely happy is helping people that want to get helped into becoming professional funded traders. And I think that this is something that just runs in my blood, runs in my family. I come from a family of teachers. The father side of my family are all teachers from kindergarten to middle school to high school to university. They're all basically teaching. And I think this ability, this skill is literally genetic, just runs in my blood. And I was talking with him about happiness and where it comes from. And I just always thought that let's just say I make a trade and I make 10,000 euros from it. I'm extremely happy. But if there's somebody who I taught how to trade from the start and they come to me with saying like, hey Momo, look, I just made 10,000 euros on this trade. I think that my happiness for them is equal to the happiness for me. It's literally on the same level. It makes me extremely proud. It makes me genuinely smile and happy. So I was thinking, well, what if I could genuinely help as many people as possible completely for free? How much good would that benefit the world? Now, sure, it might not benefit my pockets as much, but if I could help 100 more people or even 10 more people which don't have the financial, they don't have the actual money to join one of my mentorship or to get my course or to learn directly from me, I feel like that would bring me just as much joy as selling a course or making money from it or just making money for myself. So I've been thinking about this for the last few days, and I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm going all in. I'm gonna share my entire knowledge, everything that I learned over the past 5, 6 years in the markets, all completely for free here on YouTube. This is the RTS series. Now, RTS stands for Range Trading System, which is the strategy that I use, the strategy that me and Elias have built over the last few years. And that is the strategy that we use every single day, the strategy that our students use to become profitable, to make those payouts. That is the system, the RTS system, the range trading system. So what I will be doing over the next few months is I'm gonna record and post as many videos as you guys need to share every single thing that I've known and that I learned so far. I'm gonna start from the extreme basics, meaning that this series will help every single type of level of trader. Like this could be for you if you've just heard about trading or you just saw something about trading and you have no idea what this whole thing is about, Or you have already been trading for a few years, you're still struggling, you still have not made profits. This will also fit you as well. Or maybe you have already made some profits, but you're not able to stay consistent. This system, this series will help you as well. So this will just try to help literally as many people as possible. And once again, it will be directly done with you guys, meaning that I will be in the comment sections after every single video. And if there's any concept that I feel like I haven't scheduled to talk about, I will make sure to add it. So I feel like with this, even though once again I'll be hurting my pockets a little bit, nothing bad will happen from it. I feel like only good things will happen from it. And more people are going to become profitable. More people are going to be able to retire their family. More people are going to be able to literally save themselves from eternal slavery. And I feel like in the grand scheme of things, that will be a much, much better good than a bad. And especially since I'm religious and I believe in karma, I believe that if you do good things, you will get good things back. I feel like there's no downside from doing all of this for free on YouTube. So I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm just gonna tell you guys quickly how this will go and essentially the logic behind the entire series. Now, in case you guys don't know, trading is a skill. It's something that you need to learn. And just like every single skill out there, which is worth and has value, you need to actually practice. You need to actually put in the work. Trading is not a get rich scheme. This is not something that you can just do as a hobby. This is something that if you want to take serious and you genuinely want to become a trader, you actually have to put some effort in it. And I will show you exactly how to do that, what that effort looks like, which system to actually trade, how to backtest, the risk management, the emotions. We're gonna cover every single video. And I have a list right here of all the topics that I wanna talk about. And trust me, there's gonna be a lot of lectures, there's gonna be a lot of talking. And hopefully you guys will be able to understand everything. You know, my English is not perfect. I'm originally Moroccan. I was born and grown in Italy. So my English was learned just like every single thing. I just self-taught everything, just like with trading, just like with going to the gym, just like with English itself. I just taught myself every single thing. So I apologize if it's not perfect, but I will try to use simple words. This way, as many people as possible can actually understand what I'm talking about and what I'm saying. And yeah, this will be the complete journey from zero to knowing how to become a professional trader, do this as a job, and hopefully, just like I did, retire your parents, achieve your goals, achieve financial and location freedom. All you'll have to do is literally just follow. Make sure you apply, make sure you put in the work. You know, we're not looking for shortcuts here. There's actual work that will need to be done, but you will have me here to assist you, to show you along the way everything you need to do. So let's not make this video too long. This is lecture number 0. I will see you in lecture number 1, which is going to be, quick spoiler, welcome to real trading. See you guys then.